Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. There are 12 towns grouped into 4 zones with 3 towns per zone. Okay. So there are 4 groups. So let's say this is one group of towns with 3 towns looking like a face. Second group, third group, and we should call it zones. So this is zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. Okay, and every zone has 3 towns, so total we have 12 towns. Okay, it is intended to connect the towns with telephone lines such that every 2 lines are connected with 3 direct lines if they belong to same zone. So within same zones, cities will have 3 direct lines. Okay, like this: 1, 2 and 3 direct lines. Okay, and with only one direct line otherwise. So this town will connect to the another town of a different zone with one direct line and 3 direct lines of the town within same zone. Okay, so how many direct telephone lines are required? So there are 2 ways. First way we will see, we'll get the count by actually counting all the lines. Okay, so we will understand the problem in detail, we'll count the actual lines. And second way, we will also see how to quickly get the number in the exam, so that will save our time. Okay, so if we see here, let's count it actually. So this one town is making 3 lines here. Okay, so every town will make 3 lines within the zone. Okay, so 3, 3 and 1, 2 and 3. So inside the zone we have 9 lines and there are 4 such zones. Okay, so there will be 9 into 4, 36 lines. Okay, now all the towns are connected internally. Now this one town is connected via one line to a town of different zone. Okay, similarly this town will make another connection to this another town of a different zone, and this same town again will make a third connection to this town of a different zone. So one town of zone 1 is making 3 connections to zone 2. Okay, similarly other 2 towns will also make 3 connections, and these 3 towns will make 3 more connections to zone 4. So let's say this T1, it made 3 connections to zone 1. This T1 will make 3 connections here also, and this T1 will make 3 connections here also. So T1 is making 9 connections. Similarly T2 of zone 1 and T3 of zone 1, again they will make 9 more connections, right? So every town is making 9 connections, so 27. Okay, now zone 1 is completely covered internally as well as externally. Now look at zone 2. So zone 2, the towns within the zones are, we already counted them here in the 36, and every town has already made a connection to zone 1. So now they have to make connection to zone 3 and zone 4. Okay, so let's keep it this way better: zone 3 and zone 4. Okay, so now this town is making connection with Z1 that we already counted. 3 towns, they'll make, so every town again one town, so let's say T1, T2 and T3 again. So T1 of zone 2 will make 3 connections to each town of this zone 3. Similarly T2 and T3, they'll also make 3 connections, total 9 connections. And all these 3 towns, they'll also make a connection to zone 4, right? And they were already connected to zone 1, which is counted here. So now Z2 connecting to zone 3 and zone 4 will be here we have 9 connections, and so let's write it this way. We will have total 18, in which we are counting Z2 to Z3, okay, and Z2 to Z4, okay. In this 27, what we counted? We counted from Z1 to Z2, Z3 and Z4, all three we counted. So Z1, Z2 is already connected, so we are not counting it here. So Z2 connecting to Z3 and Z4 only. And now Z3 is already connected to Z2, we counted it here. So Z3 will make connection only to Z4, okay. So 3 towns all making 3 connections here, so they will make total 9 connections. And here we are counting only Z3 and Z4. We can show arrow on the both sides because it's a bidirectional line, okay. And now all the towns are connected. So total, if you add up, it's 90, okay. So total 90 direct lines are required, okay. So this is the actual counting, but this was only to understand what is happening. In exam we won't do it, okay. So in exam we can follow a different approach. So here in the first diagram, though it's a bit dirty now, let's focus on just one town, okay. So one town is making 6 connections to adjacent towns, okay, T2 and T3, adjacent or the other 2 towns. So one town, we are focusing on one town only. So let's focus on T1. So T1 is making 6 connections to internal towns, 3 to T2 and 3 connections to T3, total 6 connections internally. And T1 is making 9 external connections. External connections means connecting to towns of a different zone. So T1 is connecting 3 towns of Z2, T1 is connecting 3 towns of Z3, and T1 is connecting 3 towns of Z4, making total 9 external connections, okay. So this is 15. So one town is making 15 connections, and there are 9 such towns, okay. Sorry, there are 12 such towns. So 15 into 12, there will be 180 connections. But when we are following this way, actually we are counting every connection twice. So if you remember, we were discussing here, the connections are bidirectional. But in this way, when one town is making 15 connections and there are 12 towns, all the connections are bidirectional. So we are counting them twice. So we need to divide this by 2. And if we divide it by 2, we get the number 90. So 90 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.